Now welcome to this service. Hopefully it does this last bit of journey. It won't.
Welcome aboard the C2C rail service to Shoebury-Ness, calling at Benfleet, Leigh-on-Sea, Chalkwell, Westcliff, Southend Central, Southend East, Thorpe Bay, and Shoebury-Ness.
Alright guys, it didn't work. Tempted to film the bit from Trafford 100, but it didn't save, and it's not listening.
The next station is Benfleet.
Not accepting. He's just not accepting anymore. His phone is minted, bro. His phone is so minted. You know what? I'm gonna film the on the other app. I'll film this bit to Pitsea. I'm gonna switch over to the other app. We'll switch over to the other app. Hopefully that patterns it up. The phone is fucking minted. Let's delete YouTube and that these off. I have to start fucking deleting apps. It's really being bitchy. I have to delete YouTube and that temporarily. I'm going fast here, but yeah, top speed. You're now on 452.610, and the video completely failed. Also, I was trying to delete a lot of storage. Yeah, delete a lot of videos from. Obviously embarking upwards to Ockenden, Trafford 100. Yeah, I started filming a Trafford 100, didn't freaking work. I'm saying I'm going to delete all of this when we get back. Let me get all last week's stuff sorted and gone. I'll delete some stuff anyway. I'm gonna stop and film on the other app if it works. I'm gonna keep restarting the phone. Waste of fucking time. Why is it not doing it for me? I've got Pitsea. I'm just going to take picture shots. That was 72610 again. We're doing it again this week because last week it didn't work. I saw the GBI unit at Grays. Oh, 608.
Please mind the gap.
Hopefully it works.
Getting off the train at the next station.
Yeah, we got on a barking as usual. Did the same last week on this unit. The phone was completely having a fit. Second time on 610, and yeah, went on 608 last time. So I'm going to pause it here. I'm going to move to the other app so I know that one actually tells me when it's full like a bastard. Hopefully this one works now. I've deleted so many apps now. Please work. Well, I'm gonna beat you up. Benfleet now. Been on since parking.
Benfleet, welcome aboard the C2C rail service to Shoebury-Ness. The next station is Leigh-on-Sea.